So hi guys, welcome back to Muthukumar's talk. In this video, what we are going to talk is about debt instrument. So what is a debt instrument? Yeah, let's go into the video. So debt instrument, it is a contract where one party lends money to another on a predetermined term where the rates are determined, repayment of principal amount is determined, periodicity of interest is also determined. So when I'm saying this in a theoretical way, you can't understand. So I will explain it in a practical manner. So what is a fixed deposit? First we have to know what is a fixed deposit. So okay, we are having 1 lakh in our piggy bank at our home. So we are investing that 1 lakh in a bank FD. So fixed deposit means you are depositing 1 lakh worth of money in a bank. So bank is a borrower, you are a lender. So you are getting interest for that deposit of 1 lakh. In a similar manner, where a company issues bonds and debentures. So we have to know what is a bond and what is a debenture. Bond means it is issued by PSUs, central government, state government. If it is issued by these central government, state governments, public sector companies, it is called as bond. So if it is issued by a private corporate company, means it is called as a debenture. So a private public, whoever is issuing bonds, in order to raise capital, they use this instrument. So they are raising money from a public people. So why they have to raise from the public people? This question is also raised, right? Okay. If they are borrowing money from a bank, means if they are taking loans from bank, means the interest are very high. For example, I'm just saying for an example only. If the interest is 12%, means for the company it is costly for them to borrow. So if they are borrowing from public, means they can give an interest of 10%, so that they can save 2%. So they are issuing bonds and investors are subscribing the bonds or debentures. Then for example, I am going to buy a bond of ABC company. I am investing 1 lakh. So in the bond, it is clearly stated that the interest rate is 10% and for every 6 months they will pay the interest. And then the bond maturity is 5 years. These all things have been clearly mentioned. And then how as an investor I am benefiting if I am investing in the debt instrument. First point, if you are investing in FDs in banks, means you are getting around 6 to 7%. In order to get more interest, you are investing in bonds as well as debentures. So where 2 to 3% you are getting higher interest. For example, 8 to 9% normally. So that we are investing in bonds as well as debentures. So by issuing bonds, the company is also benefiting. As investors, we are also benefiting. I hope you understand it in a clear manner. If you are having any doubts, please don't hesitate. Please comment it in the comment box. I will try to explain it in a detailed manner. So I hope this video was useful. Thank you guys. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it. If you want to give any suggestion to me, please give it in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.